guys, so we've been spending the morning at the pool and I just came back to find out that our room has finally been cleaned, and I wanted to give you a full room tour before my other one gets here. My little guy is over here in the stroller, so if you're here, him, please excuse us. He's just having a good time, having a snack, and so let's get started. So our room number is 2456 and we're on the second floor, and we have a semi-pool view, which is beautiful. I'll show you guys in a little bit. And I just thought he spilled all of his gold bunnies. Anyways, I think we have a renovated room, and we're in a hallway in a zebra trail, I believe, which looks halfway renovated as well. So we got really, really lucky. Anyways, let me flip the camera and show you around. All right, here's my little guy. He's just hanging out, patiently waiting for me. You saying hello? All right, guys, so we walk like this. Right here we have a connecting door, so you have some extra space here that you could put luggage. Here is a nice area for some clothes, a little bit of storage on the bottom. It's not very big, but I think for one person, maybe two, it's okay. Then this side, you have a little bit more storage as well. We have some of our things there already. We got a nice safe, a little more storage down below. Okay, so here we have our coffee station, a bucket for ice, a couple of glasses, more storage upstairs. Here we have a nice drawer with coffees and teas and creamers. Here we got this new fridge. We already have our things in there, but it's nice with a glass door. Some recycling and trash. Nice artwork. This is this side. A little nightstand with some USBs. Oh, this is pretty cool actually. I like this. It's so nice. That way you're not really bothering anyone, and it moves all around, which is great. The beds are really comfortable and really nice, and then you have all that storage underneath, which is great. We asked for extra blanket because my mom is always cold. Here, kind of the same situation. More chargers, phone. Got a pretty good drawer with a Bible if you need it. Different settings for the lights. These go on, and then you can turn everything off. And here's my little guy living his best life. Right over here we have a big TV. Here's my groceries that I ordered. Absolutely love ordering from Prime 2-hour delivery. Lots of storage. The drawers are nice and big. Of course, they're already filled with all of our things. What else? Cute little sitting area. Nice mirror, light fixture. You can also turn on the light over here if you need to. And then there's this beautiful fixture. Do you see how cute that looks? It looks like, I don't know, like a sunrise or sunset, which I think is really, really cute. Nice thick curtains. They're, I think, like double. Really nice and heavy. So same situation over here. A light, a little nightstand, outlets, lots of storage underneath. And here is our beautiful view. Let's see. So here is the lock situation. It's not as high as I would like it to be. Let me see, okay, here we go, right here. But it's good to have two locks, you know, when you have little ones. So I opened the door. Can't record too much because the music is blasting here, but this is our seating area. Neighbors. The other one, the other side. It's really, really nice. I really, really love this area. I think we got a really beautiful view. And this is a standard room. So I think we got pretty lucky. Alright, let me go back inside. Just kind of give you this view. So I think the room is pretty spacious. It's not as big as the one I had in Grand Floridian, and my latest one was Boardwalk, but still it's really, really good. So here is the bathroom. So lots of stuff. They didn't have too much toiletries, but this is what they give us. Vanity kit, shower cap, mouthwash, facial soap, lots of space here. You have some storage here, but not too much. I wish they had like a drawer here. I think it would be nice. So the shower is really good. I like the way they have it here. So the water just like runs down. We have their H2O products. You have a little shelf over here to put your things. My kids really enjoy showering here. So it's really nice. I like all their fixtures, just the theming. I think everything is good. You have this beautiful artwork over here. And the doors slide like this. And this one slides like this. So pretty neat. Well, I guess that's about it. We are really enjoying our stay here. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this quick room tour with the help with my little guy. He's just really tired. We were at the pool all day and now we're gonna head to food and wine because today is the first day, so we're super excited. Anyways guys, let us know, have you stayed in Animal Kingdom Lodge in the Jumbo House? Did you like it? Did you have a renovated room? What kind of view did you have? We are really loving this resort. Anyways guys, be sure to like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.